Hi there, welcome back to the Schwowin's Nest. My name is Sandra and today I'm going to show you some Trash to Treasure Valentine's DIY decor. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button, like, comment, and share my videos. This first Trash to Treasure is really simple. I'm using an old hurricane glass that I had from a trip to a restaurant, and I'm taking these pale pink roses that are silk flowers and taking the petals apart. Then I'm simply going to cut each petal apart so I have individual pieces. After I've got quite a pile, all I'm going to do is attach them with some hot glue, starting at the top, working my way around the mouth of the glass, and I'm also going to make sure that the petals are pushing out, so they're actually like curling out rather than curling in. You can see I'm overlapping them just a little bit. Now I've gotten much farther down the vase and it's really starting to look super pretty. That's it. Once I was done all the way down at the bottom, this is what I ended up with. It's a beautiful piece just on its own. You could also put some flowers in it, some fresh ones, or maybe do an arrangement with greenery. And then I went ahead and put in an LED votive light and it looks so pretty. For the second one, I'm using some of the leftover buffalo plaid wrapping paper that I had at Christmas, a piece of cardboard, and some Mod Podge. What I've done is Mod Podge the paper onto the other side of the cardboard, and if you like, you can mark out some heart shapes on the back like this, or you can just do what I did. I just flipped it over and cut out random heart shapes and sizes. Using some twine, I hot glued the twine around the outside edge of the heart first and then just did some wrapping designs. And with this, it really doesn't matter what you do. You can just go ahead and let your imagination go, try some different techniques and different styles, and you'll come up with some beautiful pieces. Now I'm taking some of these hearts and just adding them to other pieces. This is a little tiny palette that I had left over from a previous project, so I just thought I would glue that on. This is just a scrap piece of wood. I used chalk paint to paint the front side of it white, and then I'm just taking the twine again and creating a design, hot gluing it on the back as I go. I found some of these wooden letters in my stash, so I'm spelling out the word love, and then I'm going to add some of the hearts on here as well. These were really simple to do, and they turned out really sweet. The last Trash to Treasure I have for you is a little bit more complicated, but not by much. I started out with this piece of white foam core board and measured out a 12 by 12 square, and then proceeded to cut out a heart, and I also cut out the interior of the heart to give myself a template for a wreath. So what I'm doing here is just taking some of this moss that I have, and I'm just going to cover this whole heart, including the sides and the inside, so you can't see any of the foam core board. I just had enough moss to finish this off, and I made sure that I went all the way around. I'm not going to worry about the back of this because you're not going to see it, but I really love the shape of this heart and how this turned out. I'm taking this blush pink hydrangea and just pulling off the individual stems, which I will just hot glue in the shape of a heart all the way around the wreath. I'm going to use this wide burlap ribbon to attach the wreath to the tobacco basket. So I'm just going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to glue the burlap ribbon onto the back of the heart. And then I'm going to take the ribbon, wrap it around the outside of the tobacco basket, and then glue it in place underneath the wreath on the bottom side. I also just took a couple pieces of twine and tied the burlap ribbon onto the back of the basket so the wreath would stay nice and snug and not flop around. I hope you enjoyed these 3 trash to treasure DIYs and you got some inspiration to create some of your own trash to treasure. Please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share my videos. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching.